In the southwestern corner of the Sichuan basin, here lies an ancient city embraced by rivers. This is Jiaizhou. The Min, Chenyi, and Dadu rivers converge. They cradle the realm of Buddhist legends amid mountain ridges. The 70-meter-tall Lingyun giant Buddha has been gazed upon the river for a millennium, where mountain and Buddha are one. Wuyou Mountain, that Wuyou temple, hides tranquil Zen wisdom amidst boundless greenery. Slow time's pace and wander into Suji. Strolling across ancient stone bridge echoes the memories of generations. In a cauldron, amber broth simmers with ox bones. The chef scatters coriander into bowls. A steaming serving of Kiao beef stew. It awakens countless nostalgia cravings. At dawn, sunlight dances through forest canopies, painting shadows beneath your feet. A white skirt flutters in the crisp morning breeze. Leading onward until a colossal stone-carved jewel emerges. Fingertips trace its cloud-patterned grooves. As the tiny figures become ink dots in a living scroll. This joy embodies Leshan's spirit and the silent testament etched by the giant Buddha. Climb stone steps. Immerse yourself in the mountain's primal breath until you reach the temple gates. Ancient incense and timeless tranquility linger. As twilight descends, Leshan's vitality persists. Lights flicker atop Lingyun Mountain, drop the Buddha's nocturnal mystique. Nightfall ignites the city's pulse. Fragrant might tantalize passers-by, while street vendors beckon gourmands to savor Leshan's flavors. This is the city's allure. Jiaizhou's magic. Morning temple bells coexist with clinking kitchenware. For 1,000 years, the giant Buddha has guarded not just turbulent rivers, but the wisdom of living fully in the moment, a philosophy rooted deep in this land.
Amirito, Pijala